Here are all the parts involved. This is the thrust washer from my grinder. It's actually made out of cast iron and it's pretty heavy. This is the adapter arbor, and the way I mounted it is I opened the hole up so I could press it in. And here's one where it's actually pressed in. Interference fit. And then these are the two eccentric weights. So they're just a 1/4 inch thick disc with holes drilled in them along this radius to remove material and make them eccentrically weighted. And then there's a hole here for a grub screw so that you can fix it at a certain clocking and it won't move. And so the way these work, here we go. You start out with the weights 180 degrees out of phase. And so they counter each other and they add or subtract nothing from the imbalance of the whole assembly. And then you change their clocking to move to make them counter the imbalance of the assembly.